Okay, so you've cut your design and it's looking pretty much the way you'd expect. With the exception of a few sharp edges, burrs, and some miscut areas, it's almost there. So basically, with just a little bit of TLC and a nice file technique, you can transform something raw into the beauty you envisioned from the very beginning. So let's get started. Here's our 5-piece file set. Now, there are two ends to a file. One end that does the actual filing and one end that's the handle. You'll also notice a variety of shapes. Now, the different shapes help us to accomplish slightly different things. So for this part of the project, we'll use the tapered crescent file. Just a word of caution. It can be really easy to overfile an edge, so be aware of your progress. We can't add anything back once it's gone, all right? Filing only works in one direction, on the push, or away from you. We recommend you secure your piece and take long, smooth strokes with an occasional pause to check your progress. So let's review. We're going to select our file, secure our piece, begin filing by pushing the file away from you with long, smooth strokes, pause often to check our progress. Then we're going to finish with some fine grit sandpaper. Easy as that. Okay, so that's the basics of filing metal. This is just one of the many techniques you'll need to explore the world of working with metal. If you find you need more assistance or need more inspiration, just head on over to our metalsmithing resource page, where you'll find how-to videos, detailed articles, design inspirations, and much, much more. And while you're there, sign up for our email specials and beading news. Thanks for joining us.